Hello. So Klaviyo released a new feature that you should know about. It lets you preview and send test emails inside Klaviyo. The feature helps you protect your brand reputation, increase conversion rates, optimize for multiple inboxes and devices. So why is this important for you? If your emails look like broken or messy, people may start losing trust in your brand. Even broken buttons or missing images can lose your sales. So testing helps you avoid these kind of mistakes, so more people will click and buy directly from your emails. And your customers use different types of inboxes like Gmail, Outlook, Apple Mail. They use iOS devices, Android devices, dark mode, light mode. So all of those different options. Now you have a way to test directly in Klaviyo, and it also lets you share the link with other people so they can check how the emails look before you send them to your subscribers. How does this look? Is if you go to the emails that we want to check and we go to preview and test. So this is if we want this page is if we want to send an email to ourselves. But if you want to check directly in Klaviyo, we can do it by going here. And here we can pick on which providers and what options do we want to see. I only have few selected just for the purpose of this video. So I have selected kind of one each, maybe a mobile and desktop version differences. So we are supposed to create a test now, and there the test is actually here created. And we also have this option, which is the new feature from few days ago, that now if you turn this on, we will have a link that we can copy and that we can share with people, and they can look at all of the previews that we already created. So if someone goes to this link, they will have all the options that we previewed and they can view them directly here. And this is kind of like interesting. We're already doing this on email and asset, but again, taking consideration email and asset has a lot more checks that they're doing, and eventually probably Klaviyo will get there, but for now they're just introducing this, so I just wanted to let everyone know. Hopefully eventually this will be the only test that we will need to do, since it would be directly in Klaviyo and we will not need to go to email on Asset or send emails somewhere else. It's a short thing, just wanted to share with everyone so you know the shareable link is the new thing of the feature, and it may be useful and interesting, but if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks.
Hey, if you're watching this and you like what you see, please hit subscribe and hit the bell because it helps us grow our channel.